Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to make a candy mandala. We're going to use perler beads and pony beads. Those are optional. If you want to just use the perler beads, you can. A medium size piece of string with a needle and a pair of scissors. We're going to get 4 beads. My first color is going to be pink. You can tie this off. And we're going to cut that off. Okay, my next color is going to be green. Put a green bead on. Oh, and this is what it should look like. And we're going to go through this pink bead here. And we're going to add another green bead. And we're going to go through this pink bead here. Going to get another green bead. And go through this pink bead. Going to get another green bead. And this time we're going to go through the pink and the green so we can start the next row. Well, there goes my scissors. Okay, I think I'm going to pick a new color. So purple. And this time, instead of putting 1 bead on, we're going to put 2 on. So I put 2 purple, and I'm going to go through this green bead here. Going to add 2 purple, and we're going to go through the green bead here. Going to add 2 purple and go through the green. Two purple, and we're at the end here, so we're going to have to go through the green and those 2 purple beads. So that's what it should look like. I think I'm going to stay with the purple, so I'm going to add 2 more purple. And you're going to go through both of these. Going to add 2 more purple. And we're going to go through both of those. I'm adding 2 purple, and then we're going to go through both of those. I'm going to add 2 purple, and now we're going to go through all 4 of these purple beads to start our next row. Okay, that's what it should look like. I think I'm going to go back to pink. So now we're going to add 3. So add 3 pink. I'm going to go through 2 purple here. 3 pink. We're going to go through these 2 purple. 3 pink. We're going to go through these 2 purple. We're going to add 3 pink and go through the 2 purple and all 3 of these pinks. That's what it looks like. I'm going to go back to the green. I'm going to add 3 green, So we're going to go through all 3 of those pink. Three green. We're going to go through all 3 of these pink beads. Three green. And we're going to go through all 3 of these pink beads. 3 more green. And now we're going to go through all 3 of these pink beads and through these 3 green beads. Okay, now I'm going to add a new color, white. This time we're going to do things a little different. So you're going to put 2 white beads, a pony bead, and 2 more white beads. And we're going to go through the green. I'm going to add 2 white, 1 pony, 2 white. We're going to go through the green. Add 2 white, 1 clear, 2 white. We're going to go through the green. Two white, 1 pony. All right, now we're going to go through all 3 of these green and up 2 white and through this clear pony bead. So we went through all those. Now we're ready to start our next row. Oh wait, I lied. We got to go down to this white. Okay, I'm just going to continue the white. So 2 white, a clear, 2 white. And we're going to go through all of these here. Okay, and now we're going to go through all of these beads here. 2 white, the pony. We're going to go through all these beads here. All right, now we're going to go up 2 white and this clear pony bead. And now you're ready to start your next row. I think I'm going to use green. So instead of 2 beads, we're going to put 3 beads on. So 3 green, 1 pony bead, and 3 more green. And we're going to go through the pony bead in the middle of all these. So 3 green, 1 pony bead, and 3 more green. That's what it's looking like so far. Three green, 1 pony bead, and 3 green. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do that all the way around, and then I'll be back. All right, I'm back, guys. This is what it looks like when you're finished. I went ahead and already tied a knot, so you'll need to tie a knot and then cut this off. Now, you can continue to make this much larger if you want. What you'd have to do when you come to your next row is add 4 here instead of 3. So you would add 4 on both sides for the next row. And then 5, 6, 7, you get the idea to build it. But you can make a necklace out of this or add it to a mask. Really, you can put it on anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this. See you next time. Bye.